To start using Revizto, you need to have a Revizto account and an active Revizto license. There are two ways to obtain an account. If you're a super admin of a Revizto license, you'll get an email with the registration link once your license is issued. If your company already has Revizto licenses, you need to ask your license administrator to add you to the license in order to create an account. You'll get an email with the registration link after they add you. Follow the instructions from the email to create your account. When you're done setting up your Revizto account, sign in to Revizto Workspace to download the Revizto application for desktop from the download page. There's also SSO login options available. Check with your Revizto license administrator to find out whether or not SSO is enabled on your account. Plus, there's two-factor authentication or an email authenticator code. You can also download the most recent version of the Revizto application from your device's App Store.